May tanong ka ba o problemang legal? Huwag ka nang mag-alala.
Karapatan ng beneficiary ng life insurance ng isang hindi lehitimong anak. Ang isang hindi lehitimong anak ay mayroon ding karapatang magmana mula sa kanyang ama. Kaya naman kung siya ay may karapatang magmana, siya rin ay may karapatang makinabang sa life insurance proceeds ng kanyang ama kung siya po ay inilagay o isinulat sa insurance policy bilang isa sa benepisaryo. Ito ay maliwanag sa Section 53 ng Insurance Code of the Philippines o Presidential Decree No. 612 na inamyendahan ng Republic Act No. 10607 kung saan nakasaad na ang proceeds ng life insurance ay eksklusibong binibigay sa taong nakalagay na beneficiary. Maaaring kunin ng hindi lehitimong anak na itinalagang beneficiary ang life insurance proceeds ng kanyang namayapang ama dahil wala namang batas na nagbabawal nito. Ipinaliwanag ang prinsipyong ito ng ating Korte Suprema noong 2009 sa kasong Maramag versus Maramag na isinulat po ni Honorable former Associate Justice Antonio Eduardo Nachura, kung saan tinalakay ang mga sumusunod.
Section 53. The insurance proceeds shall be applied exclusively to the proper interest of the person in whose name or for whose benefit it is made, unless otherwise is specified in the policy. Pursuant thereto, it is obvious that the only persons entitled to claim the insurance proceeds are either the insured if still alive or the beneficiary if the insured is already deceased. Upon the maturation of the policy, the exception to this rule is a situation where the insurance contract was intended to benefit third persons who are not parties to the same in the form of favorable stipulations or indemnity. In such a case, third parties may directly sue and claim from the insurer. The revocation of Eva as a beneficiary in one policy and her disqualification as such in another are of no moment, considering that the designation of the illegitimate children as beneficiaries in Loreto's insurance policies remains valid, because no legal prescription exists in naming as a beneficiaries the children of illicit relationships by the insured. The shares of Eva in the insurance proceeds, whether forfeited by the court in view of the prohibition on donations under Article 739 of the Civil Code, or by the insurers themselves, for reasons based on the insurance contracts, must be awarded to the illegitimate children, the designated beneficiaries, to the exclusion of the petitioners. It is only in cases where the insured has not designated any beneficiary, or when the designated beneficiary is disqualified by law to receive the proceeds, that the insurance policy proceeds shall redound to the benefit of the estate of the insured.
Ibig sabihin lamang nito, ang insurance proceeds ay mapupunta sa kung sino man ang itinalaga sa insurance policy, maliban lamang kung ito ay labag sa batas.
Yun pala!
At ito po ang ating hashtag Palanos. Manood, magtanong, para matuto.
Presida Acostas Legal Advice. Pala.